Hello friends, welcome to Genius Books. I am Vinod Kadakol, IAS Monk. Today we are continuing our series, this math series. This is class 3. In this class we are going to continue from question number 7. In my previous two classes we have solved 6 questions from CSAT 2023. That exam was got over on 28th of May. Okay, this question paper, particularly CSAT, IAS Preliminary Exams Paper 2, will contain 80 questions. Out of 80 questions, you are supposed to correct at least 27 questions so that you will qualify in that paper. So, qualifying marks for this particular paper is 33%. Since it contains 80 questions and 200 marks, each question carries 2.5 marks. Okay. So, you have to get minimum 66 marks out of 200, which is not a big deal. Okay, people, means all students from Delhi, they are protesting and they want to scrap this paper too, CSAT, because according to them, all these questions, particularly mental ability questions and mathematics questions, they are of very high standard. They are asked from CAT exams and all that, which is rubbish. Many of these questions I found these in other exams also, SSC exams, Staff Selection Commission exams, bank exams, of course in CAT exam also. So there is nothing special about these questions. Okay, you need not complain about these questions. That's what we are doing. We are seeing how these questions are and how we can solve them. Okay, so getting 27 questions right out of 80 questions is not a big deal. Okay, chalo then we'll solve. See, these all these questions, problems, quantitative, aptitude problems, math problems, these kind of questions are asked in other exams also. Staff Selection Commission's exam and CDSC, CAPF, bank exam, all these exams. So by solving these questions, you can prepare for those exams also. Even if you are from Karnataka PSI exam, KS exam, all other exams. So these questions will help you. I am making these series, all these classes in Kannada also to help Kannada medium aspirants. I am from Karnataka, that's why. You might have seen all channels from Delhi and all. They are hybrid of the Hindi and English. Okay, so I will make videos for especially for Kannada medium aspirants separately. Okay, those who are watching this video from Karnataka, for their information I am giving this. Okay, now what is this question here? This is question number 7 in my class. Actually this is question number 65 in actual question paper, that is D series question paper. I am referring D series question paper of 2023 IAS Preliminary Exam paper 2 D series. In that the question number is 65. Okay, how many natural numbers are there which give a remainder of 31 when 1186 is divided by these natural numbers? Very simple. This is a remainder question, question on remainder. You must be knowing about Euclids Division lemma. What is lemma? Lemma is just a small tool which helps us to prove theorems. Okay, so Euclid, here is this great man, great mathematician, 300 BC. He was in Alexandria. Okay, Alexandria just near that Nile river. Okay, he gave us this lemma in 300 BC. Pythagoras, and he was senior to him. Pythagoras' time was 579 BC. Okay, and all these stalwarts, ancient great minds, were actually modern minds also, because if these great mathematicians were alive today, they would have understood Newton, Einstein very easily. Okay, even though they were ancient, their mind was very much modern. Okay, now let us move to this problem here. What is that Euclid's division lemma or division algorithm? Okay, straight away I'll write it. Suppose there are, see, it can be expressed like this. B, here A is dividend, that is equal to B is divisor, Q is quotient, plus R is remainder. So in this question they are given remainder as 31. So let me write it. Dividend is 1186, which can be expressed as on divisor any number, natural number. What is natural number? Hope you know. Counting numbers, natural numbers, whole numbers, prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, composite numbers, rational numbers, irrational numbers. Oh my god, so many things are there. Okay. You know about prime numbers, we have solved so many questions. Prime number is what? Which has only two factors, 1 and itself. What is factor? It's a kind of revision for a factor is that number which divides any given number completely. Completely means what? Without leaving remainder. That is, remainder is 0. So here 31 is remainder. Now this divisor, natural numbers are all counting numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, like that. Positive integers. These are not fractions. Okay, so that's why they are called natural numbers, counting numbers. So divisor into quotient will be, these are all numbers only. When you multiply two numbers, again you are getting one number which is natural number. One natural number into another natural number, you are getting one more natural number. So how many of such natural numbers are there which give you 31 as remainder when it is divided by these 1186? Okay, so this is the key expression which you have to use to solve this problem. Okay, how you are going to solve this? Okay, I have to write this plus R also, right? So R I know 31. Okay, straight I'll rub this and then solve this problem. It is very simple. Hope you have understood this Euclid's lemma, division algorithm. What is algorithm? A step-by-step method to solve a particular problem. Okay, fine. Now 1186 equals some natural numbers which is actually my divisor into quotient. Please remember this. Plus 31, that is remainder. So what is this? That is equals, you bring this 31, this I want this, so I don't want this 31 on my RHS, push it towards LHS, so it becomes minus 31, this is 6, so this will be 1155. 86 minus 31 is 55. So always subtraction, addition, multiplication, you have to follow, you have to be very, very quick. How to gain that speed, that mastery, I'll take different class for that. Whenever it's possible, I'll explain along with that problem only. Okay. So here what I will do, 86 minus 31, because it is two-digit number 31. So first how many tens are there in 86? 8 tens are there. How many tens are there in 31? 3. So 8 minus 3 is what? 5. We got 50, that is 5 tens. Then 6 minus 1, 5. That's all. So you have to subtract in terms of uh, place values, okay, ones, tens, hundreds, like that, so that it will be faster. Now 1155 you got, okay, after subtracting 31. Now you have to find out what multiples will give you 1155. Okay, how to find that? Find the factors of this 1155. How to find factors? You know, you know about prime factorization. Okay, find out different factors of this 1155. So how to find it? What is prime factorization? It is very helpful in solving LCM and HCF problems. So see, just by solving one problem, you are taking help of different concepts that you have to remember, please, so that you will understand. Solving one problem is not just one problem. You come across many concepts. Okay, how to find out the factors of prime factors? Why prime factor? Prime numbers or atoms of this universe, mathematical universe. That's what said by this great Pythagoras. Okay, I take his name 100 times every day. I don't know. I'm so fond of all these kind of great human minds. Okay, so primes are atoms of mathematical world, and this universe is made up of these atoms. That's what they said. Okay, so what is your first prime number? Start with 2. I cannot take because this 1155 is not divisible by 2. You must remember test of divisibility for 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 13 and 17. That will come across later. Okay. So this is which number can be divided by 5, which number can be divided by 11, like that. So start with your prime factorization. I have taken 3 because after 2 this cannot be divided by 2 because we don't have this is not a even number, so it should end with the units place, ones place should end with multiples of 2 or 0, so it is not divisible by 2 because it is ending with 5. Add these numbers, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 1 is 11, 11 plus 1 is 12. So the sum of these digits, if it is divisible by 3, then the original number is also divisible by 3. Okay, 3 3s are 9, 2 is remainder, 25 is there, 3 8 the 24, again 15, 3 5 are. So 8 plus 3 is 11, plus 5 is 16, 16 is not divisible by 3, so leave 3, take 5. See, what numbers are divisible by 5? Those numbers which end with 5 or 0. Those can be divisible by 5, so I am taking 5. This is 5, 7 are 35, again 7. 7 can be divisible by 7, 7. So these are the factors. I got now these 4 factors, 3, 5, 7, 11. All these can divide 1155. This number, these can divide. Okay. not 1186. So after, if you divide 1186 by these numbers, they gave you 31 as remainder. So you have to find out all the multiples of these numbers. So 3 into 5 will give you 15. 15 can also divide 1155. Next 3 into 7, that is 21. 21 can also divide this 1155 because they are all multiples. Next for 3 into 11, 33. 33 can also divide 1155. Next what? 5 into 7, 35. Next what? 5 into 11, that is 55. Next what? 7 into 11, 77. What else? 5 into 11 over, 7 into 11 over, 11 into 3, that's also over. Now we have to take 3 numbers, all multiples. 3 into 5 into 7. Next what? 3 into 7 into 11. Next what? 5 into 7 into 11. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all. What else? 5 into 7 into 11, 20, 3 into 7 into 11, that's also over. Okay. Now this number, that number itself, that also you have to consider. All this 3 into 5 into, what is that? 7 into 11, that will give you 1155. So this number is also, it can also divide 1155. So all these are considered, but the most important thing to note here is they should give us 31 as remainder. So what out this? 3 into 15 is 15. If you divide this one by 15, it is dividing 1155, but it's not giving any remainder. So it should be more than 31 here. So this we can consider. This we can consider. This also we can consider. This also we can consider. 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 is 15. 15 into 7 is 105. So this is also correct. 3 into 7 into 11. 3 7 are 21. 21 to 21 into 11 is 231. You have to be very, very quick in multiplying. Okay. Next 5 into 7 into 11. That will be around how much? 7 5 is 35 into 11. 11 5 is 55. 3 you are carrying. Then 11 3 is 33 plus 3. That is 365 or 385. Yeah. So all these numbers except these two, they are all 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And one more is what? 33 is over, 35 is over, 55 is over, 77 is over. One more thing is what? 105 is over, 165 is, what is that 165? 3 into 5 into 11. Have you considered it? No. One more thing is 3 into 11 into 5. This will give you 11 5 is okay, 165. So these are the numbers which you have to consider. So these numbers will, when you divide these numbers, when you divide 1186 by these numbers, you are getting remainder as 31, because you have to consider plus 31. Okay. So your natural numbers which divide 1186 will give you remainder as 31. So altogether 9 natural numbers are there. This is the answer. Understood? I hope you understood. So we'll end up this here only. We'll take up next problem in my next class. Okay, it's already 20 minutes. So if I keep solving, it will time will more than 1 hour. So it will be boring for you to watch 1 hour at a stretch. Okay, fine then. Subscribe to my channel. Make comments in comment box. If you have not understood anything, you please mention that. You download my app Genius Books, Genius Book Classes, dash all exams. Okay. Subscribe to my channel and download my app. Register to my classes. There you will get more number of practice questions and more concept clearance and all those things. I'm going to end it here only. See you in my next class very soon. Bye bye. Thank you.